recording. You can see the seam just starting to become visible through the liquid. Level. Yeah. Okay. Take the sprayer. Seam is visible. Okay. Seam is still visible. I can spray some more. There's still some liquid in the bottom. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Nothing, right? You see that seam is still there. There's still a little bit, and I can't really see. I can kind of, it's hard to see honestly. Looks like most of the liquid is gone. I'm gonna try spraying now. Bingo. Oh yeah. Look at that, that's a leak. Mission accomplished, Blake. Beautiful. So you can see it's plateauing off. We can make it worse, I bet. Make it even worse. Just added. Wow, just got right in here. Spray, and sure enough, it's going back up. So you know that yep, that's how it works. Go up very high. Oh yeah, see, it continues to climb. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.